Hi, one of my favorite things, raspberry leaf tea. Raspberry leaf tea is loaded with all kinds of vitamins, and it's an easy way for you to get some really good vitamins into yourself daily. So all you need is some raspberry leaf and some boiling water, and that's all you need. So we're going to do this together, and I'm going to tell you all about the benefits of raspberry tea. So what I love about making teas is it's a really easy way for you to get a load of vitamins into your body. So today we're going to make some raspberry tea, and I've got some raspberry leaves here. So we're going to make the tea out of the leaves. And you can get these leaves, if you don't have raspberries in your garden, you can get these leaves online at an organic herbal store. I happen to get these at Richter's Herbs, that's R-I-C-H-T-E-R-S, but there's all kinds of herbal online stores, or you can go to your local health food store and get raspberry leaves. So there's all kinds of places that you can get these. So I'm just going to take about 2 tablespoons and I'm going to put them, maybe 3, because I really like raspberry leaves. Let's put it in there. And raspberry, if you read up on it, now I'm going to put the leaves in there and I'm going to pour boiling water on it. And then I'm going to let that steep for about 15 minutes. And then my tea will be ready to use, and I can just strain it with one of these tea strainers, put it in my cup and drink my vitamins. So I'm just going to push these raspberry leaves down in this little teapot. Now, one of the things that raspberry leaves are so awesome for is your B vitamins. If you read up on it, you'll see that your B vitamins, that's what gives you your energy and your brain function. So I push that all down. I'm going to let it steep. So raspberry leaves are awesome for your energy and your brain function. These little leaves are also loaded with vitamin C. And the reason why you need vitamin C in your body is because it's necessary for all your body, any body issues that you have. Vitamin C it's a repair vitamin. It'll repair certain things in your body. So these little leaves are packed with vitamin C. They also have zinc in them. Zinc is responsible for over 300 enzymes that you need for digestion and nerve function in your body. So really, when you have a glass of your raspberry tea or a cup of your raspberry tea, and it's a very mild flavor, you are getting so many benefits from it. So one of my favorite things, raspberry tea. You have a great day.